It's at this point on Wednesday mornings when we take a little time out to talk about the law with somebody who knows it very well. Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured, and it's Ask the Lawyer. Maybe today's the day your question gets answered. If you've ever submitted one, I'll tell you how to submit one coming up in a moment as well. But first, let us welcome the man of the hour, Bruce L. Scheiner. Good morning, Bruce.
Good morning, Todd. How are you doing this morning?
Absolutely excellent. How about you? How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, thanks.
Good. Everybody in the Scheiner household and, of course, the offices doing okay?
Yeah, we're all doing well, thank you.
That's something you got to check on these days. You never know when somebody's going to get sick. There's so much stuff going around. Glad to hear everybody's healthy and happy. Well,
thank you very much, Todd.
And that is to say, except for this person who sent an email, I want to read it to you and see if you can give us your reaction, your thoughts on this troubling subject. You ready?
I'm ready, Todd.
Okay, it says, my husband was riding his bicycle on Tamiami Trail when he was struck by a car that ran a red light. My husband had severe injuries, including broken bones. The driver was ticketed, and when we contacted his insurance company, they indicated they would take care of all our medical bills. Well, so far, so good. 2 months later, they are questioning my husband's injuries and want him to see one of their doctors. I am concerned that their doctor might minimize my husband's injuries and required therapy. Is it too late to contact a lawyer? Does my husband have to see their doctor? How can a lawyer help protect us? These are some excellent questions, and I don't know if we've ever really covered this before, Bruce, but if the insurance company says, no, see our doctor, what options and rights do you have?
Well, that's a great question, and it all goes back to insurance coverages.
Uh-huh.
When you're on a bicycle, you're considered a pedestrian.
Okay.
And as a pedestrian, you're entitled to PIP coverage through your own carrier.
Oh.
PIP coverage pays 80% of your medical bills up to $10,000.
Mm-hmm.
Your insurance carrier does have the right at any time to have you examined by their doctor.
Okay.
Now, it's important as soon as possible to contact the lawyer because there's a lot of things you could do to help protect your client when they get examined by the insurance company doctor.
Ah.
We all know that the reason that the insurance company doctor is examining these patients is so that they could put a lot of money in their pockets.
Mm-hmm.
And because they're receiving a lot of money from the insurance company, their opinions are slanted in favor of the insurance company.
Well, naturally.
So the first thing we do when there's a compulsory medical exam is we send the lawyer along with the client to the medical exam. That kind of keeps the doctor on the up and up.
I see.
Second of all, we videotape the examination so that we have a true and accurate account, and nobody could, say something that didn't happen when you have a videotape.
Mm-hmm.
In the question that was presented today, if the other party's insurance carrier is requesting a medical exam prior to a lawsuit, that the person is not compelled to attend.
Oh, okay.
However, once a lawsuit is filed, if a lawsuit is necessary, then it's called the compulsory physical exam.
Mm-hmm.
The person has to go to it. But again, if he has a lawyer, the lawyer could do a lot of things to protect his rights at the examination.
That is a very thorough approach. It never even occurred to me. Have a professional right there at your side during the exam. Videotape so there could be no misunderstandings. I like that. I feel very protected, and I'm not even the victim here.
Well, that's why it's so important, as you always say, to contact the experienced personal injury lawyer as soon as you have an occurrence that may require an attorney.
So bottom line on this, it's not too late to contact a lawyer, and she absolutely should do so on her husband's behalf.
I agree 100%, Todd.
All right, Bruce. Thank you. That does shed some positive light on this otherwise grim email we received, and we do appreciate that. You're always the ray of sunshine, even on a gray day like today, and we do appreciate you weighing in once again and appreciate your time.
Thank you very much, Todd. Looking forward to speaking with you next Wednesday.
Yes, sir. And say hi to the family from all of us at Kicks Country.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. And the question of the week, let's give it up again for Bruce. And a solid answer. Some good information there. If you would like to submit a question for future consideration, just go to our website and type in the keyword Bruce in the keyword search box. If you have something like this, it really deserves more immediate attention. Don't wait for us to happen upon it and put it on the radio. Call the Port Charlotte office of Associates and Bruce L. Scheiner at 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. And tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.